God can restore people. Some of you, nahlukaniswa, and God will give you relations amahle kakhulu. There are opportunities you have lost, but God can restore opportunities. Umprofeti kaNkulunkulu uthi by this time tomorrow eSamaria indlala izobe ingekho. Uthi nizobe nithenga ngani ngeshekeni elilodwa nesiliva. Uyaqa uthi lo ndoda ithi le ndoda lebaluku ithi le ndoda ngeke leyo nto yenze ayithi akwazi ithi ngisho ngathiwa kuvuleke ezulwini ayikwazi le nto kwenzeka. Ngoba when restoration happens of opportunities abantu bathi akwazi. Uthi umprofeti kaNkulunkulu uyokubona kodwa ngeke uzukuthinta. You will see it but you will not partake in it. Nangempela ngakusasa because God can restore opportunities. Every outcome in your life, is it restoration or is it loss? It's knowledge dependent. In other words, it matters what you must know. There are things you must know, there are things you must understand, and there are things you must apply. Knowledge, when you receive it, you need to have wisdom of understanding it so that you may be able to apply it. If you don't have knowledge on something, you will never be able to apply it. And results are dependent on knowledge. So they're not dependent on just knowing alone, but they are dependent on applying it. Now, you can never apply if you don't understand. No one can be able to apply what they don't understand, even if they know it. So it's not always the absence of knowledge that is the problem of your results. The problem is the understanding. It's only in religion where we are not supposed to ask. Because in religion you are given laws to follow. But in kingdom we inquire. We even inquire of the Lord. Imagine in the kingdom of you cannot invent your own strategies. Get biblical strategies for you to get desired results.